RTÉjr.
Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Aussie. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. I'm really strong. I think I'll exercise my big toe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Are you okay, Joe?
No, I hurt my big toe.
Maybe you should go to the hospital.
That's a good idea. I'll do my deliveries to the hospital.
That's good, Joe. Today you will be delivering medicine, a blanket and a wheelchair to the hospital.
Good.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Aussie.
Archie and Ray are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Great. Let's go.
Hands up. Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Aussie too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Hi, Joe. Are you okay?
I'm looking for the hospital.
This is the hospital. Come on.
So this is the hospital.
Let's love sign. Hospital. Hospital. U sign. Hospital. Good. Hospital.
Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh,
No. All right, Joe.
Hello.
hello. I'm Joe.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
We'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Okay, Joe, let's take a look at this toe.
What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait, here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade. Now, does your toe feel better?
No.
See? It's not medicine.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Daddy. Wow.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your x-ray.
Will it hurt?
No, Joe.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
It's so tumble.
Don't move. Here we go.
You, Joe.
Okay. Come on, Archie.
See?
We'll go and we'll come back.
Joe.
Stay there.
Okay. Joe.
Joe, that chair's for children.
Let's love sign. Children. Children. You sign. Children. Good. Children.
Joe, get on the bed, please. Oh. We need to get you a blanket.
A blanket? My next delivery. Wait, here. loads of blankets. Oh, Archie.
Okay, see.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, sorry. Oh, blankets.
All you had.
No! My... Oh!
Stop, Joe. And let's look at your foot.
Oh!
So I give it.
I got scared!
Looks like you're gonna need a wheelchair.
A wheelchair?
Yeah.
My third delivery? Wait here!
You can walk.
Good news, Joe. Look, your x-ray's back and your toe's not broken.
Joe. Not walking.
Thank you, Archie. I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.
Come on, let's get an x-ray.
Okay.
Hands up.